Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you've never worked on your car before, this is one of the easiest things you can do that'll save you money. Today I'm working on a 2021 Honda HR-V. In order to reset the oil life gauge on your dashboard to 100%, insert the key into the ignition and turn the key to the on position. Use the black button just above the gauge itself and depress it until you reach the screen that shows the oil life percentage. Once you have that, press and hold that black button for 10 seconds. When you do that, the oil life percentage will begin to blink. When it begins to blink, take your finger off of the button. Then depress the button once again and hold for 5 seconds. Then the oil life should reset to 100%. At this point, turn the key off. You can turn it back on, and it should reflect the 100%. If you've learned something today, man, I appreciate it. A thumbs up would be great. I hope this helped you out. Hope you watch our other videos. We do other things besides just pure maintenance. We also do LS swaps on OBS trucks and some other stuff. It's not just maintenance, so we got a variety going on.